When people say it is not possible to move abroad for free, I burst into heavy laughter because they don't know what they're saying. Whether you have higher national diploma, you have a second-class lower, it doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter what you've got, you can still move for free. Hey folks, this is your one and only Waka Waka Doctor, always bringing you the best gist when it comes to moving abroad. You know how we do it on this channel. We share information that has to do with living and moving abroad. Of course, if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and share this video as well to your friends and family and to anyone who might need it. For those of my friends who have always been here all the time, I love you. I just want to say I love you. Okay, good. Two things before we get into the gist of this video. Number one is to say that I am not on WhatsApp and I'm not on Telegram. So if you see anyone commenting and saying that they are Waka Waka Doctor, they need you to send money on Telegram or WhatsApp, it is not me. Number two is to say that about 6 months ago now, 5 months ago, actually, I wrote a book that's titled Move Abroad by Fire, by Force. That book is to help you move abroad on your own and not require to use the use of any agent. If you want to know the steps to take to move abroad without a job offer, steps to take to get remote jobs, steps to take to find cheap alternatives to the US, UK, Canada, and all the likes, you find them in those books. You don't have a degree, you want to go abroad, you find it in the book. How can you get this book? If you take a look at the description box of this video, which I will show you now, the description box of this video, you will see a link that says buy book. Click on it and it will take you to where you need to buy the book. Also, if you want to contact me directly, it's also in the description box, which I'm about to show you now. Look through the description box, you will see contact and you'll be able to find me there. Now, you see, when people say it's not possible to move abroad for free, I laugh. That's because they're ignorant. They've never seen people who've won it. They've never done it themselves. They never even attempted to do it. In the next 10 minutes, I just need you to listen. For 10 minutes, just listen to what I've got to share into this video and take steps. You take steps. So bring your jotter. Let's write down and let's get cracking. I'm going to be showing you a lot of graphics today, and this video is not specific to one country. So when I say you can move abroad for free, I'm talking about moving to Europe, I'm talking about moving to Asia, I'm talking about moving to the United States, I'm talking about moving to Canada, I'm talking about all opportunities that exist for you. Okay, now the easiest way to move abroad, everyone who watches me knows now that I know, yeah, you can move through your career and that's all good, but the easiest way to move abroad is through education. The educational route is the best, the easiest way, okay? And that's also possibly the easiest way if you want to move abroad for free. When I say for free, it means that you're not going to pay tuition. It means that they will pay you relocation fees. It means that they will pay everything, accommodation and the likes. Now, I have two videos. One about how to move to the United States for free. You need to watch that video if you want to move to the United States for free. It's about internships and fellowship programs. And of course, if you want to be a participant, or you want to take place, or you want to win scholarship opportunities, then you need to watch the video I made about 10 scholarships for undergraduates, postgraduates, and you need to watch them and you need to apply for those scholarships. Now, this video is specifically to show you how to win fully funded scholarships. Some people don't even know how to find them. There are more than 5,000 of these scholarships available in different categories, 10,000 even in different categories that you can apply for. All right. Now, fully funded scholarships are the holy grail of funding. Everybody knows that. And it covers almost everything for 3-4 years if you're going for undergraduate study, your tuition, and 1 or 2 years if you're going for postgraduate study. Okay, your tuition is covered, your living costs are covered, your provider takes care of everything, leaving you free to focus on your studies and social life without worrying about money. Okay, that sounds great, doesn't it? Good. Now, you have to know these secrets to be able to partake or be able to win. And I'm going to tell you about 5, 6 of these steps, and I'll be showing you. Number one is that you need to know where to look. You need to know where to look. That's the first things first. Do you actually know how to find fully funded scholarships? Do you know? No, you don't know. And I'm going to show you how to find fully funded scholarships so that you can do it all on your own. Remember, like we always do, we put the links that you need in the description box of this video. So all these links will be there. There are websites you need to know. Okay, there are websites you need to know if you're looking for fully funded scholarships. But before we go to that, now, the first way or the first point of call when you're looking for scholarships is the university you're applying to. Talk to the admissions office, send them an email, give them a call, ask them if the university has some sort of funding. You might also find it on their official website. Call the admissions office, go through the official website of the school and see if they have any sort of funding. You might actually find 1 or 2 over there, okay? Now, it depends on the location of the university and also depends on the subject you're studying. So there might be a list on the website. Another thing you have to take a look at is that there are external scholarships that might be available on the website of the school, so you need to pay attention. Now, let's talk about websites where you can find scholarships actually. Number one, very important, is internationalscholarships.com. Internationalscholarships.com. I'm going to try and show you graphics so that you can see what it looks like when you open it. Internationalscholarships.com. Another one is fastweb.com. Fastweb.com. Take a look at what it looks like. You can check for scholarships, and it has amazing, amazing scholarships. Another one you want to check is scholarships.com with an S, scholarships.com. Make sure you take a look at those websites as well. Another one that I want you to take a look at is College Board. Okay, collegeboard.com also is a search engine for looking for scholarships. There are amazing, amazing scholarships. You can also check bold.org. BOLD.org is another scholarship you need to check for. Another one is Broke Scholar. Okay, Broke. You don't have money. That's why you're applying for scholarship. That's why you want to go for free. So Broke Scholar is another website that you need to check out. Okay, I'm going to put these links in the description box of this video. But if you check through these 6 websites, you'll be able to find scholarships that apply to you. I've told you, call the admissions office. Number 2 is go through the website of the school. And number 3, look at these search engines: undergraduate scholarships, postgraduate scholarships, master's, PhD. They're all there. Okay, so you need to know where to look. Now, second thing you need to do is to prepare in advance. Okay, if you know you need a scholarship and you want to apply for a scholarship, you need to start applying far in advance. It's not that scholarship is opening in September and you start applying end of August. You need to apply. This is very, very important. If you find you need to attend an interview, some universities conduct special scholarship weekends, so these things will, if you need to attend scholarship interview, for instance, you should treat this as important as possible. That's number 2. Number 3 is that you need to stay motivated. Applying for scholarships is not for the faint-hearted. It's not that you apply for 1 and then you just give up and say, well, I've applied for 1, it didn't work. I've applied for 2, it didn't work. I've applied for 5, it didn't work. You have to keep applying. If that is your goal, keep applying, keep applying, keep applying. Okay? Some full scholarships are based on financial need rather than academic excellence. So it's not about, I am intelligent, I am brilliant, I am the best. No, it's about your financial need. You need to know that. So you have to continue to work hard, continue to keep yourself motivated. Okay, it goes without saying that you should be working hard in your studies, but you need to really put in the effort if you want to get that fully funded scholarship. I need you to know that. Okay, another thing is that you must make yourself stand out from the rest. Make yourself stand out from other applicants. Okay, there are some scholarships that are, there's a lot of competition, and it's crucial that you stand out. Okay, it's crucial that you stand out from the pool of applicants by demonstrating real commitment to bettering yourself. Okay, this means having extracurricular activities to show off to scholarship providers, demonstrating your passion, your interest outside the classroom. It's not just the classroom. You need to show that you can do other things outside the classroom, and that's how they will know that this person actually stands out. You need to show leadership skills are very highly valued by scholarship providers, and you need to demonstrate this either by volunteering, you've led projects. These are extracurricular activities. Another thing that could really make you stand out from the rest when it comes to scholarship applications is a glowing report on your academic and personal qualities through your letter of recommendation, because letter of recommendation is one of the documents that you need to provide when you're applying for scholarships, okay? And if that letter of recommendation carries weight and it shows that this guy knows what he does, this guy is good, he has personal qualities, he has academic qualities, you will bang it, okay? If a mentor knows you well, they'll be able to provide a more personal and accurate reflection of you in their letter. So don't go and get a letter from somebody that does not know you at all. That's not going to help you in any way, okay? Now, when you want to apply on any of these websites that I've given you, read the application carefully. You need to read the application carefully. It's obvious, but you don't want to drop your chances by accidentally missing out a document or a piece of information that was stipulated in the scholarship application instructions, okay? So you be sure to read the application guidance carefully and repeatedly so that you don't make mistakes, all right? Now, another thing that you need to do that a lot of people don't get right is your letter. Your scholarship essay must be hot. Okay, it must be hot. Proofread, tell people to look over and over. It must be flawless, okay? Flawless spelling, correct grammar, the best quality. It must be clear, concise, and formatted correctly. Grabs the reader with a very strong introduction and stays focused on the topic, the key themes, and is just almost perfect. That's what you need, okay? Then finally, you need to be realistic. Be realistic, okay? Be realistic, okay? Don't let this hold you back from applying. Don't let it hold you back from applying. You might, because it's extremely competitive, you might not meet the requirements, but still apply. Okay, I've had people who don't meet requirements for scholarships and they still qualify. Saudi Arabia has scholarships. You can start from there. Qatar has scholarships. You can start from there. There are scholarships in Turkey. You can start from there. Hungary, you can start from there. It doesn't matter. Just use it as a springboard. You're not paying for anything anyway. They are paying for the whole thing. And they are paying for you monthly. They are paying your accommodation. They are feeding you monthly. They are giving you monthly allowance. So you have nothing to lose. So consider it, okay? Make sure you watch the video that I made about 10 very hot scholarships you need to apply for. And of course, I've got the video titled Move to the United States for Free. I hope this video would have helped you in some way and you would get cracking on, because you too can move abroad for free. Thank you very much for watching. This is your one and only Waka Waka Doctor. Till I see you again, another episode. See ya.